dance and workout instructor. Today we are starting video number 2 of our 10 video series with moves inspired by sports. More precisely, today we're going to be inspired by aquatic sports in swimming, surfing, and kayaking, canoeing, and rowing. I hope you're really excited to learn about aquatics related moves. So before we start, make sure your area is safe and clear, and we're starting with our usual warm-up. So let's put the music and get started. Alright, so let's do a big yes with our heads. Couple times. And now a big no. One more time, a big yes. And a big no. Excellent. Shoulders up and down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with the entire body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Say, I don't know, with your shoulders and arms. I don't know. One last time. Alright, excellent. Now move your hands like you're saying hello, goodbye. Very good. Faster, faster. Alright, and play marionettes here. Up and down. Very good. Alright, we're gonna kick gently with our legs to warm up our knees. And 1, 2. And the rhythm of the music is even better. Alright, on the side. Boom. Side, side, side. And to the back. Gentle kicks, very gentle. And to the side again. Alright, shake your legs, shake, 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 shake. And do a nice bunny ears with a flex foot and a pointed foot. A flex and point. Last time, and flex and point and roll, roll, roll. That ankle for me a couple times. On the other side. Beautiful. Let's switch. You're shaking your legs. Shake, 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 shake. Good. Alright, so the nice bunny ears. Flex and point and flex and point one time. Good. And roll. Big rolls. Switch. Alright, beautiful. Okay, here we go. We do a crisscross. Okay, so you jump and cross your legs. Cross open, cross open. Let's do 10 of these. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. With the arms up and down, let's go. 5, 6, 7, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. I forgot to do this one. A big roll of your shoulders and arms. Go down. And 2. And 3. Let's do 3 more. The other side. Reverse. And 2. And 3. Beautiful. All right. We are ready to get started with our swimming lesson. I mean, our fake swimming lesson. Alright, here we go. Just follow me. As always, I'm going to put music in the background. We're going to have a few movements inspired by swimming techniques. Alright, so the first move we're going to do is actually diving. We need to go in the water, right? So pretend you're at the border of, your plunging area. And we're going to place our hands here all the way up here on top of our head, and we're going to pretend we're diving in the water all the way down and coming up. One more time, slowly we go down with our heads and arms. Woo, nice bend, and come back again. Could also be like a nice fish in the water, a nice dolphin or whale here. Alright, here we go. Let's do a couple more times. water, in our swimming pool, or in the ocean, or in the sea, or in the lake, wherever you are. Now we are going to do the typical breaststroke movement. So our arms are going to go front and open, and again front and open. Right hand front, open. Now with your legs, we're going to be in a slightly kind of window opening here with our heels touching each other, and we're just going to do our bend and come back. Bend, come back. Let's add those together. And here we go. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2. Beautiful. Now we are trying to stay in balance with one leg, and the other leg is literally going to do like we're really swimming with our legs, right? Like this. Bend and straight, bend and straight. Here we go. Slowly. Come back. And 2. Come back. And 3. Come back. Let's add a real deep bend here. Come back. Oh, it's slightly harder, isn't it? Very good. Let's do one more time. Beautiful. Switch sides. Alright, so we're just here kind of opening and closing. Woo! 2, 3. It's hard to stay on one leg, isn't it? 4. Let's add our deep bend here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Excellent. Alright, now we're going to do the butterfly. Butterfly is one of the most complicated swimming pattern. Alright, in the water. Hopefully here in the air we're going to be fine. So our arms are going to go from back to front, and really imagine you're grasping the water on your way back. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and with our legs we're just going to do a bend and straight. Slowly. Let's do go and bend. Go up and bend. 3, 4, and 5. Excellent. Alright, let's do the crawl now. Crawl, for that one, your arms go one at a time. Up on the head, in the one. Up on the side, side, side. So you're looking the side where your arm is going up, like this. Alright? Now we're going to do a little trick with our legs. We're going to have a slight opening like this. You see me from profile, it's going to be like that. Yeah? So we're going to go 1, and 2, and 3, and switch legs. And 1, and 2, and 3, and switch. And 1, and 2, and 3, and switch. Last time. And 1, 2, 3, switch. Beautiful. Alright. Swimming lessons over. Let's move on to surfing. Okay, so surfers usually practice in the ocean, right? So let's pretend we have quiet waves and very, very, very big waves as well. Okay, so for this exercise and the next, if you have a mat like me, please grab it. It will be more comfortable for you. But if not, you're totally fine. Just make sure you don't hurt yourself on the ground. We're not doing anything dangerous or anything like that. So don't you worry. But you know, it's always nice and comfortable to have a layer between you and the floor. Alright, so we can also pretend that this is our surfboard. Alright? Okay, so a long big surfboard here. Beautiful. So I'm gonna play some music. I'm gonna get started on the surfing. Alright, so this is our surfboard. We are laying down belly on the floor. And we're just gonna pretend we are like on the surfboard. again in a squat position. Let's do a few of these. Okay, starting from the very beginning. Here we go. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Press, jump, and jump. One more time. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Press, jump, and jump. Beautiful. Okay, let's move on to our next exercise. Here, pretending you're surfing, and you know how surfers are in very good kind of balancing situation. So we're just going to pretend we're balancing ourselves. We're going to have one leg up and one leg slightly bent, and just stay. Even if the waves are coming left and right, the water underneath our surfboard is making a swing. Very good, and switch. Nice balance here. Woo! Everything's gonna be fine. Still on our surfboard. Still on our surfboard. And if you fall, it's fine. Totally fine. Okay. Same thing with our leg in the back. Woo! We're okay. Alright, and switch. Still okay? Still on the surfboard? Even if big waves are coming at you? Woo! And I fell. It's okay. Just come back up. Alright, next one up. We are pretending we're really surfing alongside of big, beautiful waves, okay? And for that, surfers usually have different levels so they can really, be really parallel to that beautiful wave. So they can be really low here, really, really low, medium low, and up. So let's do that. We're down, medium, and up, and again, and all the way down, medium, and up, and all the way down, medium, and up. One last time, all the way down, medium, and up. Excellent. All right, that was our surfing lesson. Let's move on to our last aquatic sport of the day, which is kayaking, canoeing, and rowing. Kind of little mix of all three. All right, so let's pretend this is our beautiful canoe, kayak, or rowboat. Here we go. So we are here. Let me play some music. What happened to our music? Oh, here we go. All right, so you're nice, kind of comfortably sitting here, almost like you're resting at the beach or something. But this is not your towel, this is your canoe, right? So feet and knees slightly open here. You're gonna grab your arms, your elbows up top here. We're gonna be paddling on one side. Here we go. Paddle, come back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go on the other side. And make sure you extend the side of your body, okay? Good. Deep in the water. 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. So we paddled on one side. Now we're going to paddle on both sides. So we're going to go left and right, right and left. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3. A nice H shape with your body. Here we go. Let's do a few more. Beautiful. All right, I hope you really extended your side of your body here. Lastly, we're going to do some rowing. For that, your arms are going to go front and come back. Go forward and come back. We're going to try to add some legs with that. So we're going to do straight and bend. Straight and bend. Here we go. Here, up. Work your abs a little bit here. And 2, and stay, work your abs. 3, stay, work on your abs. 4, stay, and 5. All right, and why don't we stay here and do a little paddling? and canoeing. Now let's take one movement per each sequence we learn and mix them to make a little sequence. All right, so we're gonna start with our swimming one. Let's start with the diving. So we go under the water. Remember diving? We're gonna go diving and we're gonna go on under the water or on our surfboard. Okay, we are here and we are really low and we're gonna go to medium and up and again low, medium and up. Okay, do that a couple times and then we're gonna come back down in our nice canoe position and do a nice H-shape paddling. And we're gonna call it a day, all right? So let's get started with some music. A nice dive. All right, nice and tall here, and here we go. We're gonna dive 2 times. 1, beautiful, come back up. Last time, let's go and stay down. Stay, we are here, and we're gonna go medium and up. One more time, we're down, medium and up. We're gonna go sit down on our nice canoe boat here. And here we go, we're gonna do a nice H-shaped paddling in 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do 1 more. All right. Woo, we are done with our aquatic sports. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this aquatic sports inspired workout session with me. I hope to see you on the next video, in video 3. This time we are going to do kind of medieval sports. What can that be? I know, right? It's a little strange. Well, you'll see. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Hello, this is Tanu. If you enjoy my videos, share, like, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks!